This video is about finding the stationary points. Question 2. Find the gradient function of p of x. For p prime of x equals negative 2x to the third power prime minus 6x squared prime plus x prime minus 3 prime. For x to the nth power prime equals n times x to the n minus 1th power. If we have a constant number p, x to the nth power prime equals p times n times x to the n minus 1th power. So we have a negative 2 times 3x squared minus 6 times x squared prime is 2x plus 1 minus 0. Simplify negative 6x squared minus 12x plus 1. For b, use the first derivative, find all the stationary points. P prime of x equals 0, which means negative 6x squared minus 12x plus 1 equals 0 by graphing. So we put a function into y1, then graph. Second trace 2. Left bound. This is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So we put negative 3. Enter. Then right bound, you can move. Enter. Enter. Answer is negative 2.08011213. Quit. Clear. X. Enter. Go to math, enter to check it's a rational or irrational number. This is an irrational number. Write down 3 sig figs, negative 2.08. Then second trace again, 0. Move the arrow to the left side of this x-intercept. Enter. Right side. Enter. Answer is 0.0801 as a 3 sig figs. For the stationary point, you need to substitute into p of x. So p of negative 2.08 equals p of 0.0801 equals. Go to calculator. This time, we need to put original function into y2. After we put p of x into y2, quit. Clear. Alpha trace. Remember y2, not y1, because we need to substitute the values into original function p of x. Negative 2.08. Enter. Alpha trace again. Go to y2. Parentheses 0.0801. Enter. So we get two coordinates. P of negative 2.08 equals negative 13.0. For P of 0.0801 equals negative 2.96. So we have stationary points, negative 2.08. negative 13.0, and 0.0801, negative 2.96. Let's go to C. Find the intervals where the function is increasing or decreasing. Remember, we only use derivative of function. So unhighlight this original function. Graph. Above x-axis is positive. Below x-axis is negative. We do know this x-intercept is negative 2.08. This x-intercept is 0.0801. Therefore, we can draw the sign diagram for P prime of x. Negative 2.08, 0.0801. Negative, positive, negative. This is a negative infinity, positive infinity. From negative 2.08 to 0.0801, P of x is increasing. From negative infinity to negative 2.08, union 0.0801 to infinity, P of x is decreasing. You can predict a graph like this, then increasing, then decreasing.